Hello, good morning. Welcome to IDempiere latest plugin from me, Red One, recorded here on the island of Indonesia, south of Malaysia. So this latest WMS that I released about a week ago at declared it at 0.9.0.1. The warehouse management system is created together with a fitness testing. You can come to my forum here, Red One RG at ERP and topic 1839. You will then get information how I set up the testing. So first we have to log in with the Ninja. You should have the Magic Ninja plugin installed, and then when we log in, we'll use the Ninja to import some basic setup data, and then I'll show you the magic of this testing to do the rest. So here, waiting for it to log in. Test data can even be used to, in my case here, to set up my processes, to set up locators, empty storage types, and then commit them. Alright. So with them committed, they are then part of the data, and then process your test records, gets your sales orders to be created as a delivery schedule, and then from this schedule to put away picking. So we set the sales transaction to yes, and then we can run with various configuration of the put away, such as same line, same bin, same container, handling unit, and same things like that, and get it committed so that we'll run it again with sales. So we purchases. So now it's starting with purchases, and then later you sell. You have to purchase first to get things put away. So fitness testing is easy because you can change the setters and getters like a wiki. Now let's get into the Ninja module designer and import in, create a new instance. It's very simple. The Ninja is really fast, as its name suggests. Now we just attach in already prepared data you can find from my forum, where to pick up from the repository of the binaries and these data zips. Make sure that it is loaded, put it in. All you have to do is just do nothing else but run import model. It will happen in 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. With that, we can now go to the info window, set up warehouse, run this test. It's not going to run because I did not activate the test. So the test is at 163 and 164. You say that it's not started mode, not active. So I have to start 163, 164. And then you run fitness on the outside. So you can see that fitness is run from here. You can see it here. The fitness application is run, and so I can now do the test again. It will take some time. Sometimes it's problematic because the way it plays with, I guess, memory and instances and sessions, and it can be a bit tricky. In this case, it worked. It did return as a process if you were to run it manually. And I proceed to get empty storage, and I set the vacant capacity of 50. And oh, it could not commit. It cannot commit the last line, so I think I know why. because I need to include this in that. So it is very simple, as you can see. With I will just cut this out and now paste it back in, but I need that to be committed. If not, I have to run it manually. Yeah, so this is done, and I paste back code and save it. So the warehouse is set up if you want to go to see the home of the warehouse. Locate the info window. So all these info windows created by help of my Ninja plugin, which correlate with, so you can see here, they're all been set up for all the locators, or the warehouse, in the formula of 4R for bin and 2 levels. Then we come to the real test, come back to the info window, call this info process. First, we're going to get in purchases to be delivered right after put away all that's in the garden row record. Let's say this can be problematic and you have to do it manually. So this seems to work. It takes a while for the system to handle things. Yes, successful put away. And you can see this by going into the put away picking info window. Yes, process all this, but it did not assign handling unit because we are testing forecasting. Okay, let me explain to you. You can forecast future and therefore give you a time view towards the future to know when is your warehouse in full capacity or occupied. This is a very powerful thing, and later we will put into because there is no effect, so there is no use of capacity. If I put a setting where I set a receive, everything is received, the put away will not have future, it will be real instant put away. So now I'm turning to sales. Again, it will forecast if pickings were to be done in the future. The same line, yeah, okay. So it will then do all these calculations. So this forecasting is something, see, it's very fast to get this thing there. Okay, there's no pickings, so to check that, no, you can't pick anyway. So let's see if pickings were done. Not, then I will go back. It's not really done, so I have to go back and check whether my logic is correct. But basically, I'm homing in onto this logic where I control future storage, put the away process and then the picking process, where I magically calculate everything into forecasts, expected even movement, and then once they arrive, we can then get them committed to the real stock in hand. And we also have control of guarantee days. If the guarantee days is up, it should not be in the stock anymore, and we can move them as expired stock. And I even create for very intricate stock movement fully from locator to locator. Well, that's it from me. Keep it short and sweet. Have a nice day and enjoy the best software in the world. Make faster, sweeter. The Ninja plugin that uses the code maker and Excel to be very fast. Put in a system, and now with the warehouse management system put up from scratch thanks to Nakarat and a user test case in Thailand. Goodbye.